Welcome back to another Tasty Tuesday. So on today's menu we have some beef and broccoli in a slow cooker. So it's gonna take almost no effort. It's gonna be super easy to make. We're just gonna throw a bunch of things in the slow cooker and we're gonna let that stuff cook. Slow cookers are super convenient, so if you're at work you can keep them on while you're there, or if you're at home and you can't watch the stove, you can just keep that on while you're there as well. So it's gonna be a few things and it's gonna taste delicious. So let's get started.
Okay, so we're going to start by putting the slow cooker on the low setting. Then you're going to pour in 1 cup of beef broth, and then you're going to add in about 1.5 pounds of sirloin steak. You can cut them into whatever pieces you like, and then we're going to add in 1/2 cup of brown sugar, some cut up green onions, about 2 tablespoons of garlic chili sauce that I found at ShopRite, but regular garlic is going to work just as well. Then you're going to add a little bit of avocado oil, some salt and pepper, and then if you like, you can also add in some soy sauce. So once we have everything in there, we're gonna mix it up and we're gonna let it cook for about 3 hours. I'm gonna thicken up the sauce a little bit, so with about an hour left, I'm gonna take a few spoons out and then let that sauce cool to about room temperature. Then I added about 2 heads of broccoli and let it cook for about another hour. Once the sauce that we put to the side has cooled off a little bit, we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of arrowroot powder, or you can use cornstarch. And then after it's nice and smooth, we're gonna add the sauce back into the slow cooker. And now lastly, we're gonna add about 3 tablespoons of sesame seeds. I like the green onions a lot, so I added a few more of those. And now after you're done stirring it up, it's ready to go. You can have it just like this if you're gonna go low carb, or you can add some rice to it like I did. And that's it, super simple and easy to make. I hope you guys enjoy this one, and as always, you guys can email me at Tommy@GabrieleFitness. See you next week.